Alexa, what did I miss?
One new notification from Amazon Shopping. 1.75 roll bar clamp has arrived.
Sweet. Nice. All right, so a while back, I knew I was going to be in the market for a razor, so started looking around for stuff. Ended up running across a set of old mirrors at a garage sale for 10 bucks, but they didn't have the clamps on the mirrors to be able to mount them to the cage. So went on to Amazon, found some clamps, and I'm going to use them to mount the mirrors. So figured I'd do a little review on these clamps though, so you can see what they're like. So they're GS Power 175, I guess is the name, doesn't really matter. So it's an aluminum clamp, and it fits the razor roll cage perfect. Comes with this little piece of, well, they say it's silicone, but it looks like plastic to me, to go on the inside to make sure it stays, it doesn't scar up your paint and everything else. But it clamps right on. 10 bucks at Amazon, I'd say that's pretty hard to beat. So we'll get them mounted up, see what we think about it, and go from there. Figured you might want to see what the mirrors look like. So these are the actual mirrors. They're used, but they're in good shape. They look cool. So we'll see what they're like. I'll take them on a ride on the trail and kind of see what they are, but 10 bucks at a yard sale, so it's cheap. And then these are the clamps we're going to use to put them on. The only thing is, the hole on these mirrors, or the bolt for these mirrors, is a little bit bigger than the hole on this clamp. So I'm gonna have to drill the clamp out just a skosh to be able to put these mirrors on. So I'll hit that and then we'll get them mounted. Well, we got this one mounted over here, so we will do the same with this one over here and see what she looks like. Gotta get them set up how I like them though. Quick and dirty review of these clamps. So you see how they look with the mirrors. Awesome, I didn't clean the mirrors before I put them on, whatever. That's how they look. That's how they look when you attach them to the cage. The 1.75s fit this cage on our Razor 900 4, or Razor 4 900 anyway. They fit them perfect. That little plastic piece or whatever they call it in there fits well. If you have your full windshield or whatever, probably wouldn't it wouldn't work for that. But here in Arizona, I don't run a full windshield. So anyway, that's what they look. Overall, 10 bucks, man. It's a good clamp for 10 bucks if you're looking to mount the mirrors on the side of your rig. I mean, you can't really go wrong, I guess. So anyway, this is Joe with Deranged. This has been a quick review of the, what are these, G6 clamps? I don't know what they're called, 6S clamps. Look in the title, look in the description. There'll be a link to it on Amazon so you can order it if you need to. But overall, good clamp, 10 bucks, 2 clamps in a pack. Works for what I need for now. I haven't been out on the trail to see if they vibrate down or anything, but they're tight enough, I don't think they will. Anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe and comment and all that crap, and we'll see you on the next one.